In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart a Windows 11 machine, but it works exactly the same for Windows 10. So join me, Mark, a network engineer with 26 years experience working for ISPs, managed service providers, and corporations. With that, let's get started. So method 1. So first off, we want to come down to the start button. And we want to click on the start button. And now go across to the power button on the right here. So now we're on the power button, we want to click on that one. And then click on restart. And now the PC will restart. And that's method 1. Okay, so now for method 2. So what we want to do is press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on the keyboard. And that'll take us to the following screen here. So what we want to do here is go down to the bottom right hand corner of the screen and click on the power button. And then click restart from here. And now our system will restart. And that is method 2. And now for method 3. So this one we're going to actually hit the command line. So come back down to the start. This time we're going to right click run. And then in the run command we're going to type CMD to get to the command prompt. So here we go, here's the command prompt. Let's drag that into the middle here. What we want to do now is type shutdown dash or -R. So I know it looks like it's going to shut down the machine, but with the -R, that's what signifies the restart. And that's going to wait 60 seconds before initiating the restart. So let's do that now. And here's the 60 seconds delay. So with the magic of this being a video, I'll wind forward until the restart happens. And there we go, the system's now restarting. And that was method 3. Now for method 4, we're going to use the power button. So I've got a diagram here of my laptop so we can see that on there. But you're going to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Okay, and what you're looking for is the screen to go completely blank. You're going to notice that the fans will switch off at this stage. And then what you want to do is give it another 10 seconds and press the power button, and then the PC will reboot. And there you have your 4 methods of how to restart a Windows 11 PC. If you've enjoyed the video and you'd like to see other content like this, please subscribe and like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.